Hey, beautiful people, good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. My name is Winifred, and you're welcome to another video. I posted a video on Veekee James corporate and casual wear designs, and then it was one of my best videos that did very well on YouTube the last year. So it will only be fair for me to do another one this year, and that is what I've done. I've compiled these styles for you to go through and see, feed your eyes, possibly pick some style inspiration from it. And then, because I know you love Veekee James as much as I love her too, so without too much talking, let's get to the honey of this video. By the way, this dress was the dress she wore for her wedding Thanksgiving recently, and it was really beautiful. Anyways, let's just get to the honey of this video. Let's go. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. Put you in front of my melody. You are all the matters. You are all the matters. I'll make room for two. You and I, Jesus. You are all the matters. You are all the matters. Oh, 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 you are all the matters. What will I live for if I don't have you in my life? What will I do if you take the Holy Ghost? What would have become of me if I didn't see your light? What would have been said of me if you didn't hold my hand? Now I've come to realize that you are all I have. You are all the mothers. You are all the mothers. Oh, 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 you are all the you are all the mothers. Oh, you are all the mothers. What will I live for if I don't have you in my life? What will I do if you take the Holy Ghost? What would have become of me if I didn't see your light? What would have been said of me if you